Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese queso. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, slowly whisk in 1/2 cup of milk until it's warm and smooth. This creates the creamy base for your queso. Next, gradually add 2 cups of shredded cheese, stirring constantly until it's fully melted and incorporated. For an extra kick, stir in 1/4 cup of diced green chilies. The key to smooth queso is low heat and constant stirring. After 2 tablespoons of butter melt, slowly add 1/2 cup of milk, whisking until it's warm. Then, introduce 2 cups of shredded cheese in small batches, stirring continuously. This prevents the cheese from clumping and ensures a perfectly creamy texture. Keep the heat gentle to avoid scorching the cheese, which can make it oily. To elevate your queso, consider adding a pinch of cumin or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, diced jalapenos are a fantastic addition. If you prefer a heartier dip, stir in some cooked ground beef or chorizo. Remember, you can always adjust the consistency by adding a little more milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it's just right for your preference. Your homemade cheese queso is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with a generous bowl of crispy tortilla chips. It's also a fantastic topping for tacos, burritos, or even loaded nachos. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped cilantro or a dollop of sour cream. If you're serving a crowd, keep your queso warm in a small, slow cooker to maintain its perfect consistency throughout your event.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.